All right, 5:30, July the 14th. It's hot. It's very hot. We're gonna pull these boards though, I don't know, after dark. We're not gonna fish all night. We'll probably be out here well before midnight. But right now we got 6 boards out. We've got raw chicken breast on that one, and that one. We've got the biggest part of a green sunfish on this one. We got a bluegill head on one of these two in the middle and a bluegill body section on the other one. Did you put a head on or a body section?
Both.
Yeah, so we got a bluegill. So we got 2 pieces of bluegill, green sunfish, 3 pieces of chicken. The cut bait is, I guess you could call it fresh. It's a few days old, but it hasn't been frozen. It's been kept on ice. Pull them after dark. See if anything's biting in this heat.
Yeah, baby.
Well, I think the camera kicked that on us, but fish number 1. Little guy, about 3 pounds probably. What was that on? That was on a bluegill head. Sorry, just suspended 2 rigs off the front of the boat, but you can't see them from where you're at. One's got chicken, one's got cut bait.
It's still hot.
It's hot. 8 hooks on the water. Everything's running from 6, 7 feet down to about 10 feet deep. About where all the bait's at. I think on that bottom, that windshield would be a good place to stand, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It'd be nice to put them
behind
somewhere
it or
with,
right on in front of it.
it'd be nice to put them somewhere where the camera would pick some up.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work.
We'd have to fancy something, pick something back there if we was gonna do that.
Uh-oh, fish, outside reel, on the left. I don't think there's much to it, but I guess you got the clicker on. A little bit aggravating, sir, huh? Where the hell is it at?
Swim right at the boat.
Might have a little bit more shoulders on it. He's driving the boat right now. Let me get this boat straightened up. Go ahead, I got you. Raw chicken breast on that fish, guys. What are you guessing at? I'm gonna say 9.
I'd say right at 12, maybe a little shy of 12, maybe.
About 11, perfect. So there's a debate going on about this lake, about whether or not it's big enough for blue cats to bed in. Look at that.
Yep.
See that blood on his tail?
Yep.
Right there. He's been protecting the bed.
Yep.
In my opinion. I'm not an expert, but
Chewed up there, yeah.
either that or you got the wrong end of a boat problem. Oh, we got him one. It's a hoss too. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go, boys. Yeah, it's on. Here. Caught up. Yep, it goes up. He's a fish, boy. Yeah. He ain't no big one. Big enough. About 10.
10 pounds.
Number 3, 10-pounder. Chicken. They're chicken fish. One's called Sticker Junkie, and a site called Sticker Mule. And you can get them. There was one place there I like to do the custom size, like 6x4.
Yeah.
6 long and 4 high.
Yeah.
And I wanted to say I could get 60 or 70 of them for $100.
Ain't bad.
Nope. That one. What's he doing? Something over here. God.
Did you fall?
Oh, just about. We looked up and that one was just swimming over there. Still on there?
Oh, a little drag, boy.
Here.
Fish. There's a little day.
Yeah. That planer was there. Yeah, we didn't see it. Y'all probably saw it. It was pulling closest to the boat on this side. No, actually it was the middle one. And he pulled it all the way back behind the motor.
Glad he made some noise. He'd have been over in front of the boat. Biggest one of the day.
13. 13 LB, easy fish. Well, we went as far as we could go. We're putting all fresh baits back on our rods here, and we're going to try something a little different. It'll be dark in another half hour or so here. We bought some of these glow sticks that we're going to stick in here. Just a little experiment. Stick it in the clip there. When it gets dark, maybe the camera will be able to see it, maybe it won't, I don't know. At a minimum, it should help us keep up with where our boards are. But we'll find out one way or the other. Well, when the sun went down, the bite died. We're going on 12 o'clock here, and I got to get up in the morning and take my little girl to camp. So we're going to pull up camp here and head to the house. We'll see you guys on the next one.